Hello traders, how are you everyone? Welcome to my channel whiteheartstrader. First of all, risk warning: in your investment capital might be at risk. Do not invest real money. Okay, let's check it out. There is no today we'll take some trade based on the liquidity fair value gap. Okay, before that I want to announce something for you. Want to join my mentorship program? Who want to join my mentorship program? Send me the mail. This mail given for you description. In the description, if you check the description, you will find my mail, and send me the mail for the mentorship program. Subject should be the mentorship program. Okay, let's start. You know, for my old follower or subscriber, they know already my trading style: liquidity, fair value gap, okay, inducement, order block, swing high, swing low, extreme fair value gap, etc, etc. So this is the target. Okay, this is okay. Market to proceed. Okay, market already hit this. Okay, what is the next target? This. Okay, actually market can go up. This is the hitting place. So let's see what is happening here. Yes, trend is now down. Okay, let's see. Okay, first time sweep, second time sweep, third time, first time, second time. Okay, so many times: first time, second time sweep. Market, there is the most probability market will go up, because market already sweep 3 times. That's why be careful about that. Don't worry, we will find the best trade for us and for everyone. Okay, now trend is changing, and trend is uptrend like that. Without gap, we will not take any kind of trend. Okay, without trend, we will not take any kind of trade. So if you see, okay, what is the liquid? Yes, this is the liquidity level, like so. You should be bullish. Okay, this is our target. Without liquidity sweep, if you see any kind of gap, do not take any kind of trade. Okay, this is the warning for every trader. Without liquidity sweep, if market create any kind of gap, you should not believe that type of gaps. Most of them, there are so many traders who fail in the FVG. Why? Sometimes they ask me, why sir, why it is failing, you have told that this is fair value gap, this is breakaway gap, etc, etc. But I have told them, please be careful and follow my rules. Be careful and follow my rules. Okay, I have told you that without liquidity sweep, if market create any kind of gap, you should not believe the manipulation gap. You have to find the right fair value gap. Okay, you have to find the right exact fair value gap. Okay, market already hit the FVG. Okay, there is target. Okay, is there FVG? Yes, there is an extreme fair value gap is here. Okay, there is extreme fair value gap. Okay, market will hit their gap. Market finished their liquidity. There is a breakaway gap. This is a good trade actually. Let's see what is happening here. Okay, nice to find. Okay. Is there any kind of liquidity? Yes, but didn't sweep maybe. Without liquidity sweep, if market create any kind of gap, I will not take any kind of trade. Okay, so now trend is down. If market hit again this level and create a downtrend gap, I will go for the put option for the next candle. Okay, yes, this is a breakaway gap. Okay, I want to go with sellers, but this is too risky, man. This is too risky for me and you, for all. I have got some excited, but it should be a bearish one, but my entry point is too bad. My entry point is too bad. I have taken my trade. There is some reason. Actually, there is a gap, and this is a like a sharp turn. Actually, after sharp turn there is a gap, and I have taken my trade here for put option with the trend. Okay, because trend is down and this is a gap. Upper shadow is showing me the selling pressure I've seen, and there is a this is a sharp turn. After sharp turn I have taken my trade easily. If you follow my video, you will see every time the power of FVG, power of liquidity. There is a sharp turn, okay, and there is a gap. I have taken my trade for the next candle. Liquidity plus FVG plus ST. First of all, trend. Okay, first of all, you need trend. You need trend. You need trend. Why I have taken my trend? Trend is down. There is a ST sharp turn plus sorry, what is happening here? Wait. What is happening here? Exit. I have to exit. Okay. This is for just for my fault. Okay. Why I have taken my trade? I am clearing you. Let's see. Every trade I am explaining you. Every trade. Because of just for you. Why? If you can learn something from my channel, from me, I would be happy. Clear? So, first of all, trend is okay. Trend is down. Exactly. After liquidity hit, liquidity sweep plus liquidity sweep. Okay, plus what is happening here? Plus sorry, liquidity sweep plus sharp turn plus FVG. Okay, this is the main reason. What is sharp turn? If you follow my previous video, actually let's see, there is a sharp turn, there is a gap, market break this gap. Okay, market break this gap, but market already filled. But after sharp turn, if you get any kind of breakaway gap, must go for the direct. You should go directly, you should not wait. But third candle is so important for you. Remember that third candle is so important for you. There is a sharp turn. What is sharp turn? If you see any kind of gap, first gap, actually this is the first gap, manipulation gap, like that. After liquidity sweep, first gap, and third candle is breaking. third candle is breaking the gap, and there is a gap. After sharp turn, there is a gap. Liquidity sweep plus sharp turn plus FVG, fair value gap, direct entry. Clear? Trend is downtrend. I am explaining you again and again. I am revealing everything. Already I have revealed previously the secret of fair value gap, secret of liquidity, secret of inducement, oral block, everything. Clear? Just cool and think. I am repeating everything the same word. Why? Because of the power of the FVG. Okay, so this is the fair value gap. This is the sharp turn. What is sharp turn? This is the first gap for after liquidity sweep. This is the manipulation gap, but this is the first gap after liquidity sweep. After gap, any kind of gap sweep mitigation, actually after gap mitigation there is a sharp turn. After mitigation there is a sharp turn. If what is sharp turn? If market break first gap, okay, and third candle should break the gap, third candle should break the gap, and third candle should be the big candle, and with a gap you can go directly in this candle also. In this candle also, this is actually this is the tradable candle. Sharp turn, there is a gap. I have seen now. There is a gap also. Okay, you can go directly this candle. After sharp turn, if you see a busy, of course you should go for directly, because trend is downtrend. Trend is down. There is a sharp turn. There is a breakaway gap, fair value gap. You can go for directly this candle. Previous candle is the best tradable candle for you. Clear? So hopefully everyone should know the procedure. My mentorship program. Want to join my mentorship program, send a mail. Mail is given description. If you check the description, you can find my mail. And if you want to join my mentorship program, send me the mail. Of course, subject should be the mentorship program, and share a little bit about your trading experience. Okay, so hurry up, want to join my mentorship program, because my mentorship program is totally different, because I teach everybody one by one by one. I teach everybody. Okay, so that's why my seat is not so big, just only for training student every month. So just you can think, want to join, just subscribe, like, and give some comments, because depends on your comments I will make the video and it will inspire me. Depending on your comments, I'll make some video and it will inspire me. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.